let's start with this. If you're a beginner trader, you're probably looking for something simple, right? You don't want to get lost in 10 different indicators, crazy complicated chart patterns, or bunch of math formulas. What you really want is an indicator that just gives you buy and sell signals, plus shows you where to put your stop loss and even the take profit levels. Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna walk you through in this video. And on the top of that, I'll show you the way to make it even more accurate so you can turn it into a simple and powerful trading strategy. So first things first, open up TradingView. Doesn't matter what market you trade, this works on literally anything. Crypto, yep. Forex, yep. Stocks, for sure. Options also works. Basically, if you can pull up a chart, you can use the setup. And time frame, totally flexible. Use what you like. For today's breakdown though, I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, just so you can see how it plays out in fast moving market. Now check this example right here on the BTC. You can see we're in a clear downtrend. The indicator picked up on that and printed a sell signal right on the chart. Pretty handy, right? But it doesn't stop there. It automatically drops a red dashed line. That's your stop loss level. And then right below it, you'll see 3 separate dashed lines. Those are 3 different take profit levels for this exact same setup. So basically the indicator is doing a ton of the heavy lifting for you, giving you entry, a stop and targets right up front. But hang on, before I even tell you the name of this indicator, how to add it to your chart, and how to adjust the settings properly, do me a quick favor. If this was helpful so far, smash the like button. It helps to push the video out to more traders who might need a strategy like this. Alright, now let me give you a little trick that makes this whole thing way more accurate. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to add another indicator called MACD4C. So just search for MACD4C inside the indicator tab. When you add it, you'll see it plotted color bars below your chart in a histogram style layout. But to actually make it work for this strategy, we need to adjust the settings. So click into the settings, head over to the imports tab and change the fast moving average option to 100. And then change the slow moving average option to 200. That's gonna smooth out things and line up with our main indicator. Next, head over to the style tab and switch the plot option to columns. Trust me, this makes it way easier to see on the chart. Alright, so what does these color columns even mean? Honestly, it's super simple. The green columns tells you the market momentum is bullish, so buyers are in control. The red columns, that means bearish momentum. Sellers are pushing the market down. And that's why I love using the MACD4C as a filter. At just one glance, you instantly know whether momentum lines up with your trading signal. That way, you're not second guessing the trend. So now you're probably wondering, okay, what's the first indicator that's giving us those buy and sell signals, stop loss and take profit levels? It's called Flux Shorts SFX Algo Indicator. To add it, you don't have to go digging around. Just check the description or pinned comment below this video and you'll find the link to it. Once you got the flux charts on your chart, let me adjust the settings so it works for this strategy. Go into the indicator settings, then under inputs, change the sensitivity to 9. After that, set the SL option to key levels. And finally, enable the volatility option. That's it. 3 quick tweaks and the setup is ready. Now let me bring it all together with some trading examples. Take a look at this trade on the screen. Right here, we've got a red signal from the flux charts indicator. But before jumping in, remember we always check the MACD 4C. And in this case, the MACD 4C is showing green columns. That means momentum is bullish, not bearish. So what do we do? Skip the trade. Easy as that. Not every signal is tradable. And this filter saves us from a lot of false entries. Now right after that, check this out. The indicator prints a buy signal. This time the MACD 4C is also green, which means momentum agrees with the buy setup. Perfect. That's a valid trade. So here, what do we do? Open a buy position. Set your stop loss exactly where the flux chart shows it, at the volatility band. No guessing, no eyeballing. Then use the take profit levels provided by the indicator to set your targets. You've got 3 levels, so you can scale out. For another example, let's flip it around. Here's we've got a sell signal on the chart. And this time MACD 4C is also showing red columns, meaning bearish momentum lines up perfectly with the sell signal. That's confirmation. So again, you'd enter short. Set your stop loss at the volatility band and use the provided TP levels for your targets. And that's pretty much the whole strategy. Simple, visual, and beginner friendly, but still solid enough that even experienced traders will appreciate it. Happy trading!